बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप सब? उम्मीद है आप सब खैर खैरियत से होंगे और अल्लाह आप सबको खैर खैरियत से ही रखे और आप सबके रिस्क में इजाफा करे। और जी आज की जो जॉब्स हैं, इस चैनल का जो मकसद है वो आपको नई जॉब से आगाह करना है। और मैं आपको एक बार फिर अपने चैनल जॉब साइंस यूट्यूब चैनल पे खुशामदीद कहती हूँ। और अभी आज जो हम जॉब्स देखने वाले हैं ये दुबई ही से ताल्लुक़ रखती हैं ये सब जॉब्स भी। और दुबई नेशनल्स इनके लिए आसानी से अप्लाई कर सकते हैं और वो तमाम तरह लोग जो दुबई में नौकरी करने के सिलसिले में गए हुए हैं, वहाँ पे किसी न किसी जॉब्स में वो हैं इन्वॉल्व्ड, तो अगर वो अपनी जॉब चेंज करना चाहते हैं तो भी उनके लिए एक अच्छी ऑप्शन होगी। बहुत सारे भाइयों ने मैसेजेस किए हुए होते हैं कि वो दोहा कतर के साइट्स की जॉब्स भी दिखाएं, तो मैं इंशाल्लाह जैसे ही वहाँ से कोई नई जॉब्स जैसे ही आएंगी मैं ज़रूर शामिल करूँगी। और अभी ये दुबई की जॉब्स आजकल ज़्यादा आ रही हैं और इन्हीं जॉब्स की डेट्स वगैरह ना निकल जाएं, तो मैं इसलिए इनको पहले मेंशन कर देती हूँ। तो अब जी टुडेज जॉब्स, आज की जो लिस्ट है हमारी जॉब्स की, सबसे पहले हम वो एक दफ़ा देख लेते हैं। सो मेल केयर गिवर जॉब्स इन दुबई, training coordinator needed for a luxury golf club in Dubai, executive secretary jobs in Dubai, data entry operator jobs in Dubai, counter sales jobs in Dubai, लेडीज टेलर मास्टर जॉब्स इन दुबई। तो ये सारी जॉब्स मैं भी आपको आगे एक्सप्लेन करूंगी। अगर आपको बात समझ में नहीं आएगी तो मैं उसको मज़ीद सिंप्लीफाई कर दूंगी। तो अभी before starting the details of all of the jobs, I want to share something with you that please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. और अगर आपने आज पहली बार आए हैं मेरे चैनल पे तो भी सब्सक्राइब कर दें और बेल का आइकन भी प्रेस कर दें और ऑल सेलेक्ट कर लें ताकि हमेशा आने वाली हर वीडियो की सबसे पहले इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको दी जा सके। अब चलते हैं अपनी डिटेल्स की तरफ। पहली जॉब है जी मेल केयर गिवर जॉब्स इन दुबई। सो कंपनी नेम इज मोजान, एम्प्लॉयमेंट टाइप कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बेसिस पे है ये, मंथली सैलरी 2000 AED, मिनिमम वर्क एक्सपीरियंस वो चाह रहे हैं 1 से 2 साल का हो, एजुकेशन लेवल भी रिक्वायर्ड है, हाई स्कूल सेकेंडरी, दैट मीन्स FSC इक्वलेंट टू FSC जो होती है हाई स्कूल कहलाती है, या HSSC एग्जाम जिसको कहते हैं वो भी सेकेंडरी एग्जामिनेशन के इक्वलेंट होता है। तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में वो बताना चाह रहे हैं कि अर्जेंट हायरिंग मेल केयर गिवर टू लोकल फैमिली। एक फैमिली है, उसमें कोई ओल्ड मैन है अबू धाबी में, उन्हें एक केयर गिवर की ज़रूरत है, टाइप ऑफ मेल नर्स, इस तरह की एक जॉब है। तो अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हो और आप आजकल कोई जॉब नहीं कर रहे हो तो इट्स अ वेरी गुड ऑप्शन। नीचे एक नंबर गिवन है, इस पर अपना उनका ये व्हाट्सएप नंबर है, आप इस पर अपना CV शेयर करो, कॉल करके चेक कर लो क्योंकि उन्होंने कॉल करने से मना नहीं किया हुआ, और आई थिंक सो यू कैन कॉल एट द नंबर एज वेल। So next job is training coordinator needed for a luxury golf club. एक ट्रेनिंग कोऑर्डिनेटर की जॉब है एक गोल्फ क्लब के लिए, फुल टाइम जॉब है, सैलरी इज 4000 to 6000 AED। ज़बरदस्त सैलरी दे रहे हैं। बेनिफिट्स हैं जी डिपेंडिंग ऑन एक्सपीरियंसेस एंड क्वालिफिकेशंस प्लस अकोमोडेशंस, और जो बेनिफिट्स हैं वो आपके एक्सपीरियंस और आपकी क्वालिफिकेशन के मुताबिक आपको मिलेंगे, और अकोमोडेशन तो भी बेनिफिट्स का पार्ट है। मिनिमम वर्क एक्सपीरियंस 2 to 5 years, ऑब्वियसली अब एक अच्छी जॉब है तो एक्सपीरियंस तो उनको चाहिए होगा, और 2 से 5 साल का एक्सपीरियंस, ऑब्वियसली जिसका भी एक्सपीरियंस ज़्यादा होगा वो प्रेफरेबल होगा। मिनिमम क्वालिफिकेशंस बैचलर्स डिग्री है। कैंडिडेट की प्रोफाइल देखते हैं, ओपन टू एनी नेशनैलिटी। सो ज़बरदस्त थिंग इज़ के सब कोई भी नेशनैलिटी का बंदा अप्लाई कर सकता है। एक लग्जरी गोल्फ क्लब है, वहाँ एक ट्रेनिंग कोऑर्डिनेटर की ज़रूरत है, और वो मेल भी हो सकते हैं और वो फीमेल भी हो सकती हैं। एक और जगह फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी जेंडर में भी दे दी इन्होंने। एंड एज 30 years एंड ओल्ड एंड बिलो, यानी कि 30 years एज से ज़्यादा नहीं होगा। यहाँ पे उनकी सारी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी एंड अप हो गई है, तो कोई भी नेशनैलिटी का बंदा अप्लाई कर सकता है। वो फीमेल भी हो सकती हैं, वो मेल भी हो सकते हैं, मगर एज ग्रुप उनका 30 साल से ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए। सो एजुकेशन एक्सपीरियंस रिक्वायर्ड, जो एजुकेशन है और जो एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए उन्हें वो है जी बैचलर्स डिग्री इन ह्यूमन रिसोर्स और एनी रिलेटेड कोर्स। ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज का जो सब्जेक्ट होता है उसमें आपने बैचलर्स किया हुआ हो, और मिनिमम 2 years ऑफ वर्किंग, मिनिमम वही उन्होंने 2 to 5 कहा ना, तो मिनिमम इज 2 years as the same training coordinator in the capacity of the same coordinator job in some other institute and or any other company. So strong time management and organization skills, this is very important to note that they want you to be a very with a very strong management and organizational skills and excellent communication skills. Time management basically ये भी होता है कि that you have to complete every task in a given specific time. And then is excellent communication skills, you should have a very excellent speaking power, or you can say the way to talk to the customers or your clients. So then is the job description. So training coordinators has some specific job duties and the responsibilities. So let's go through them. So the very first one is maintain training database in coordination with operations manager. So you have to you have to take care of all of the databases and coordination with the manager operations. Prepare training checklist. So आपने एक अपनी training list checklist भी maintain करनी है. Organize training venues and locations. आपने जहाँ पे आप training देंगे उन जगहों का तयन करना है, उन जगहों को markup करना है, उन्हें list down करना है. फिर आपने अपने clients के साथ discuss भी करना है venues को, locations को. और आपने transport facilities, you have to manage the transport facilities as well for your clients. And efficient training attendance and deliver. So facilitate training sessions and to assist in skills training, maintain accurate records through hard copy files and computer input to the database throughout the training cycle. And whatever you are going through the training cycle, whatever you are doing for the client, to make them happy and for their training, you have to note it down everything, and you have to make a record of it in the hard form and in the soft form as well. So follow up and track training evaluation paperwork, assisting team members wherever needed, update, print and prepare training materials. And if any training material is needed for the assistance of the client, so please you have to manage for this as well. And you must have to take a print prior to the training session. So work with the venue managers to stay on top of the training needs in the form of training progress and report weekly on the status of training. And you have to inform your seniors as well about the training sessions. Then job description is feedback sheets to be given to all participants and ensure it's filled and returned to the training department for implementing and reorganizing courses to meet the required standards of our organization. So you have to make a type of a form for the participants. They have to fill it for the training department so as to meet the need of all of the clients. Summarize training requirements arising from annual appraisals and to design and develop suitable training programs to meet these requirements. So obviously all of them have not the same type of needs. So you have to evaluate and then decide the plan of training for the individual client. Then identify, select, and manage external training and accreditation bodies, agencies, and providers necessary to deliver required training to appropriate standards. Exactly. This is what I have discussed it with you in the last point. Then how you can apply for this job. Obviously, there is nothing to worry about that you have to do all of the things which are needed to do to our training coordinator. Obviously, it's a luxury golf club, so you have to behave some more. You have to give some more protocol to all of the sides or to all of the angles of the job. So how to apply? So if you are interested and you want to do this job, so please send your updated CV. This is very important to note, updated CV. Please do check your CVs first before sharing. One thing which is very, very important, everyone, please, if you want to share your CVs, please check it for your recent address and your phone numbers. आप अपनी जो भी CVs शेयर करेंगे उन पे प्लीज अपना फोन नंबर और अपना एड्रेस जरूर प्रॉपरली चेक कर लें, कहीं आप अपनी कोई पुरानी CV ना दे रहे हो जिसमें आपका कोई और फोन नंबर या एड्रेस मेंशन हो और वो अगर आपको हायर करना चाहें तो आपको कांटेक्ट ना कर पाए. So it is very important to share your updated series in Word format. So they are interested in having the series in Word format with your recent photographs. और आपको अपनी recent photograph भी attach करनी है. So there is an email address given below, or the subject of the email should be training coordinator. The subject of the email should be training coordinator. This is very important to note, as अगर उन्होंने मेंशन कर दिया है, ये सारी बातें वो नोट करते हैं कि क्या सीवी में वो सही, उन्होंने कहा है वर्ड फॉर्म, तो क्या वो वर्ड में ही बनी हुई है, उन्होंने कहा है एक फ़ोटो अटैच करें, तो क्या आपने फ़ोटो अटैच की हुई है, उन्होंने कहा है कि ईमेल का जो सब्जेक्ट होता है, आपने कभी ईमेल की होगी, ऊपर ईमेल एड्रेस की बार आ रही होती है, उसके नीचे सब्जेक्ट लिखा होता है, तो सब्जेक्ट में आपने मेंशन करना है ट्रेनिंग कोऑर्डिनेटर. ये सारी चीज़ें पॉइंट आउट की जाती हैं, बहुत से लोग इन चीज़ों को इग्नोर कर देते हैं, बट दीज थिंग्स आर दैट शोज द इंटरेस्ट इन द जॉब, दैट शोज द इंटरेस्ट इन द जॉब. तो अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हो तो आप इन सारी चीज़ों का ख्याल रखोगे. Then the next job is of executive secretary, jobs in Dubai. Employment full-time, salary is 2,000 to 4,000 AED. Benefits, accommodation and transportation. Minimum work experience is 0 to 1, means no experience are also applicable. Minimum education level, high school, secondary. Once again, this is age SSC level, or you can say FSC. So the description of the job: as a secretary, you will assume the duty of clerical and administrative support in order to optimize the workflow procedures in the office. So this is the job of executive secretary. So you must know it's a type of clerical as well as administrative job. So you have to work on all fronts, by the way. So nationality is Filipino and Nepali. Nepalese only. So ये दो categories ही allow हैं, preferable है, I think, Filipinos and Nepalese. So you will assist colleagues and executives by supporting them with planning and distributing information. So you have to assist your colleagues, you have to plan with them, and you have to help them in planning and distribution of all of the informations. So you will be the point of reference for all queries, requests, or issues, and will be an integral part of the company's workforce. So being secretary, as you are the secretary of some executive, so you have to be more careful about all of the things. Everyone obviously will come to you for their queries, for their requests, as you are in direct contact with the executive. So being integral part, you have to behave as well like this. So then is executive secretary jobs in Dubai responsibilities. So the secretary must it has to do: answer phone calls and redirect them when necessary. Being a secretary, you have to do, that you have to take care of all of the calls, and you need to redirect them towards the specific person, specifically all of the executives. So manage the daily, weekly, monthly agenda and arrange new meetings and appointments. Being the executive, a person may have so many duties, so many specific things, so many things which we have to do in priority. So this is your duty to manage the list according to the priority on the daily basis, on the weekly basis, and on the monthly basis. So you have to identify that which is more important and which meeting should be arranged first. So this is your duty to manage all these things. This is very, very important. File and update contact information of employees, customers, and suppliers and external partners. Obviously, all this information should be with you. Support and facilitate the completion of regular reports. Support and facilitate the completion of regular reports. Develop and maintain a filing system. Check frequently the levels of office supplies and place of appropriate orders. Make travel arrangement. Being secretary, you have to do all these things. Then the requirements: proven work experience as a secretary or administrative assistant, familiarity with the office organization and optimization techniques. Obviously, it's an office-based job, so you should know all of the pros and cons of the jobs, and you should know the needs of the job. So high degree of multitasking and time management capability, excellent written and verbal communication, integrity and professionalism, proficiency in MS Office, and high school diploma. So if you are considering yourself to to do all of the things they have mentioned. So if you think that you can do it, so please apply for the job, and there is a number given below. They didn't mention the gender. Obviously, it means both male and female can apply for the job. So the given number is this, and please contact them at the given number. So data entry operators. The next job is of data entry operator jobs in Dubai. The employment type is full-time. Monthly salary is 2,000 to 4,000. Role is data entry operators. Benefits are accommodation and transportation. Minimum work experience 0 to 1 means those who have no experience can apply for the job as well. And minimum education level is high school. Secondary means FSC or HSSC degree must be with you. So description of the job. So they are looking for an Asian data entry. Once again, they are not, they didn't mark any specific nationality. Anyone can apply for the job. They just mentioned Asian. Operator to update and maintain information on our company databases and computer system. But the job is very sensitive, by the way. And data entry operator responsibilities include collecting and entering data and databases and maintaining records of valuable information. So the person who is a data entry operator must collect the information first, then he has to enter all of the information appropriately and correctly in databases and maintaining records of valuable information. So this is the second point is very, very important. You have to be careful of for all of these things. So our ideal candidate has essential data entry skills like fast typing with an eye for detail and familiarity with the spreadsheets and online forms. So they themselves are interested in a person who has already experience of all those MS Office. They are interested in spreadsheets and online forms. So you must know how to fill and how to handle all these apps. Then you will work with the data team and data manager. Previous experience as a data entry clerk or similar position will be considered as an advantage. So those who are already in the same job and who has some experience of data entry clerk or data manager, so are preferable for the job. Obviously, they should take care of all these things. The new person or the zero experience person will cannot handle all these things. Ultimately, a successful data entry operator will be responsible for maintaining accurate, up to date, and usable information in our subsystems. So the responsibilities further are the insert customer and account data by inputting text-based and numerical information from source document within time limits. Obviously, you have a specific time for the entry of the data. Compile, verify accuracy, and sort information. You have to compile, verify the accuracy that you need to recheck every entry in order to clear all of the mistakes and sort information according to the priorities to prepare source data for computer entry. So this is very important. You need to sort it out as well according to their priority. So research and obtain further information for incomplete documents. Generate reports, store completed work in designated location, and perform backup operations. And everything which you have to do on your systems, on your databases, please make a backup of it as well. Keep information confidential. One thing which every company demands is to keep the things confidential. This is our, it's something ethical. Respond to queries for information and access relevant files. And ensure proper use of office equipment and address any malfunctions. कोई मसला है तो आपको डिस्कस करना है. And requirements are proven data entry work experience as a data entry operator or office clerk. Experience with MS Office and data programs. All of the programs you should know, you have an experience of all of them, and you must have an experience of MS Office. Familiarity with administrative duties, experience using office equipment, file like fax machine and scanner. You should know how to operate a fax machine and a scanner. Typing speed and accuracy, excellent knowledge of correct spelling, grammar, and punctuation. This is also very important that you should have an good knowledge of grammar and punctuation and typing speed with accuracy. Attention to detail and confidentiality. High school diploma, additional training, or certification will be an asset. If you have a high school diploma and you have some additional training as well, or any other certification, it will be considered as a good for you, and you have made a better chance for the application. Then the next job is counter sales jobs in Dubai. Counter sales jobs in Dubai full time job है, monthly salary 2000 से 4000 है, minimum work experience 0 to 1 है. Once again, if you are not experienced with the field, you can apply for the job. Minimum education level is HSSC, high school या secondary education, FSC के equivalent. Then counter sales jobs in Dubai में description वो कह रहे हैं that we are looking for an Asian result driven counter sales person to be responsible for the sales process from inception to the execution of the order. So they need a person who has some experience of the field and can easily process and execute the things which is needed for the company. So your responsibilities include taking orders, answering questions relating to the order, receiving payment, and executing the order. So all of the things related to the order you have to perform in an accurate and in a sensible way. You should provide quick and efficient service, ensure maximum customer satisfaction, and resolve all queries professionally. So behave professionally. You have to behave professionally. If you are experienced, then you can do it in a good way. An outstanding counter salesperson should display a positive attitude, focusing on customer satisfaction, maintain an orderly appearance, and possess excellent interpersonal skills. So all of the things are needed. Whosoever is going to apply for the job must know, and I think he is knowing what he has to inculcate in itself, in his or herself. So your responsibilities are you need to greet the customers and taking orders. First of all, you have to welcome the customer in a very good way, in a very warm way, and then take the orders, processing the payments, and assisting customers with queries and providing solutions quickly. You need to take the questions and answer them in a prestigious way, and possessing excellent product knowledge to inform and increase sales, and following up on orders to prevent delay and frustration, updating the product inventory, cleaning the customer area to ensure a neat appearance, ensuring that each customer leaves the store satisfied. So, a very demanding job, by the way. So, counter sales jobs in Dubai requirements are high school diploma, knowledge and use of cash register, on the job training, excellent interpersonal and communication skills, good personal appearance, and conflict management skills preferred. Minimum works experience is 2 to 5 years. Okay, the next job is ladies tailor or masters jobs in Dubai. Minimum work experience is 2 to 5 years. The description is looking for experienced ladies tailor master for Arabic fashion like abaya or evening dresses. So if you are interested and you know how to stitch and you are working in a capacity of ladies tailor or master, अगर आप दर्जी हैं और ये काम कर रहे हैं and आपको अरेबिक ड्रेसेस लाइक अबाया वगैरह सीना आता है तो आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. उन्होंने दोनों जेंडर्स को अलाउ किया है अप्लाई करने के लिए, मेल और फीमेल कोई भी अप्लाई कर सकता है. तो इफ़ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड सो कॉन्टेक्ट देम थ्रू देयर व्हाट्सएप नंबर. उन्होंने नंबर एक दिया हुआ है. एंड इट वाज माय लास्ट जॉब टुडे. आई थैंक यू ऑल फॉर पेशेंस लिसनिंग. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड हिट द बेल आइकन एज वेल. और आखिर तक मेरी वीडियो देखने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया और अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. इंशाल्लाह फिर मुलाकात होगी. अल्लाह हाफिज़.